Hey guys, welcome to the Orange Jams. Oh no!
Just got a fat raindrop on me.
Orange
Hello?
Jams?
Maybe not stand right there.
Yeah, here we go. There we go. Try this again.
Alright, hey guys, welcome to the Orange Jams. This is Rachel. Sorry, I just hit my butt. It's raining, so we moved from right there to right here underneath these things. We're just jamming out, having fun, filming. I just got food, so.
And why are you doing the intro? Rachel is the newest member of KendamaOC.
Whirlwind check. Opposite of a whirlwind check.
I was like, would I love to say this?
Kyle's fault. Kyle got him. Kyle got him framed.
Hi!
Hi guys. Oh. Hi.
What happened?
Yeah, I thought you were gonna hit me. I'm a delicate flower. First turn, first tee.
Rose. Holy. Delicate flower.
10? What from? Oh, it's probably because
Wild daisies. Oh wait.
Why is it so wet?
There's more.
Flowers. Mediocre flower girl.
Mine's a little wet.
Subpar Caucasian lady. Shout out to Chad Covington for calling me that.
Mediocre fangirl.
We're beefing now.
What are you doing?
My zipper, bro! You gotta put like an
There
eggplant
are
over
kids
that.
from the
Right here.
Almost. Yeah! First try. Rivaldo!
Probably not the best.
Yeah!
I just learned that like
Boy, let's go!
Yo, we got an open parking space.
Yes!
Oh,
Got it!
You really just got it?
Let's go, new member!
Oh, yeah.
Here you go.
Not even over my head, just straight back. Yeah, just straight back. We're like, straight there.
It's fun. Did everyone Did you do it?
Are you freaking kidding me?
Woo! Are you ready? Go!
The worst trick. What the hell do you do triple turntable?
These tricks.
Oh, my back is like, oh. That felt so good. Alright. Should pop like every
Okay.
body. Holy crap.
It's a quick stall line.
These are like the bigger head bobs.
I missed a high five. That's the problem.
Let's go!
I was just laughing because Mel was just looking at me.
Oh, my
Trying to get you to lace.
My leg feels so free now.
How low can you go when you squat down?
That was a good one.
Basin Langers, my dudes. And start takeover. Damn, I look hot today. Just kidding. Okay, but my teeth look nice.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with me at this point in my life. Alrighty guys, it's alright, takeover. Welcome. This is the usual. Got my new Thrasher hoodie on. Everything is crooked. I look like a hobo today. Hey, breakfast boy. Can we get that good quote?
Breakfast.
Can we get that good quote today?
That young good quote.
Yeah, good quote. Young girl.
Young goat. Dang, I feel under pressure. The best
Under
quote.
pressure.
To whatever level.
Pushing down on me. Pushing down on me. That's on you.
The quote of the day is. The quote of the day is.
Make up something for us.
I actually have something for you guys.
Not for me, because I'm already here.
It's not about the Dama, it's about the player.
Yep, I agree with that.
Well, 100%. No matter what the kendama is, you should be able to slay. It's not about the kendama, it's about the play.
That's right, boys. You heard it here. You heard it here. Hey,
Heart just shattered.
hey, Nolan.
Hey.
You're gonna be on Spry Takeover today. Can I get a trick of the day?
Oh, there it is.
Okay, we're good. We got it. We got it, ladies and gents. Hey, Mal.
Yeah, I know. It's like super
What is the
expensive, but it's
question of the
like
day?
It's like still expensive.
Question of the
1200, so
day.
just enough to be like unaffordable,
Yeah,
but
it's
not
just
enough
like-
to where it's like
It's
can't afford it.
It's like,
Should you
yeah.
drink more water? Yes.
100%.
Okay, we need the food of the day.
Food of the
What
day,
did you have
grilled
for dinner?
cheese.
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese sandwiches, that's the food of
Sandwich,
the
did
day.
you get tomato paste with it? Tomato paste. Tomato soup? No, I know it's tomato. I know what it is. I just want to talk with y'all. I'm sorry, Alex, as you were editing this. Because I did noise last week. What's the noise?
What is the noise?
You gotta get.
It was it.
Wow.
Wow. We are one.
Sorry.
It's okay. We are one.
Pitch perfect.
Oh, we're Stop blowing cold air on it wouldn't work. The inside's soft. I have soft. I have soft insides.
It's a filter.
Oh, good. I have soft insides. That's what I said. I have soft insides. We all have soft insides.
That's what you said.
That's what I said. That's what I said. I think that's it. Sorry, the Story Takeover sucks. It's raining. We're gonna go dance in it. Should I pedal? Ooh. Ooh, guys, a little raven there. You can't see. Oh, you see it? It's a little raven in that car. Ooh, it's raven. Alrighty, guys, I'm in the street trying to find a puddle. I found a puddle. I found a puddle. I found a puddle. I found a puddle. Woo, my feet are wet. My feet are wet, and there's people looking at me. I wanted to splash in a puddle. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you next week, probably. Will I? Yeah, I'll see you next week, and stay tuned. Steve, if you're watching this, you still have no what's going on. Alrighty, love you guys. Bye.